Alright, so today's going to be a really quick video, and today we're actually going to put the Perrin shift stop on. And what that does essentially is the car is in first gear right now and second. Now in second gear, watch how much the shifter moves. See that slop right there? Third gear doesn't move at all, that's good. But fifth gear also. Maybe it's six. Yeah. So sixth gear has a little bit of slop. Second gear is pretty bad though. Look at that. But that we're gonna fix right now. So first we'll take the shift knob off. Now we gotta get this trim piece off, but if you just pull up on the front. So apparently you just have to pull this straight up. Oh, there we go.
I never had meat though.
And that pops out just like that. Now this should just slide right over, just like that. So if you look down here, if you see this little bracket, this is essentially like a stock shift stop. So this you could actually adjust. This will be for fifth and sixth gear. So, hold on. Yeah. So that's for sixth and fifth. And now the part we're gonna add is actually gonna go on the left side. So that's gonna stop the slop from first and second gear. Okay, so the next step would be just to remove the 10mm bolts that we're holding in the stock shift stop on the other side. So just remove those. Then we take the new Perrin shift stop, throw it on down here. Hold on. Okay, so the Perrin shift stop is gonna sit right on top of the factory one, and then now all you have to do is just install the bolts supplied, the socket cap screws that use the Allen key. Loosely install that, and then what you want to do next is put it into first gear and then adjust it pretty much to where once you tighten this, it's going to block off the movement that's going to be caused by the shifter. So you just have to fine tune it pretty much and then just tighten it down, and then yeah, see how it feels. And just like that, Perrin shift stop is installed. And look at the play, there's barely any. Feels so much better. Yep. Now time to just reinstall the shifter trim and the boot and the shift knob, and we're all done. Alright, so I was just editing that while on break from school right now, and I realized I forgot to give you sort of like an update on the Perrin shift stop. So here it is. That's in first right now. That's in second. There's barely any movement. That's fifth. And sixth. Nothing. This is probably the first thing that everyone with the 15 and up WRX should do, because it just gets rid of all the slop. It makes the shifter feel a lot more notchier and a little bit more precise, actually a lot more precise. And it's just a great overall mod for the price, honestly. I think it was like $30 shipped, so you can't really beat it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Peace.